So as you know, TC Electronics make these amazing remote controls for their Icon plugins. Here we have a reverb, a master HD, and a brick wall limiter. These are amazing plugins and remotes. The only issue is, when you have 2, 3, 4 or more of these things, it creates a lot of clutter on your desk, or mixer. Little boxes and wires everywhere. At Phatronics, we have come up with a new solution to get rid of the clutter. It's called the Dockicon. We designed these docking stations from the ground up using computer automated design. Right now, we make them in 3 variations: the Dockicon 2, the Dockicon 3, and the Dockicon 4. It's very easy to install your Icon remotes into the Dockicon. Let's take this USB cable and run it through the back of the Dockicon. Now we will take the Icon Reverb remote and plug the USB cable in. You can pull the wire to the left a bit. Now, simply lay the unit into the Dockicon. Now, take one of the supplied screws and turn the Dockicon over. Now, simply screw the Icon remote into the Dockicon. Once this is done, the remote is secured and installed. Now let's repeat the process with the other 2 Icon remotes. There you have it. Your Icon remotes are now installed into the Dockicon. A nice clean, professional look. All the wires come out the back. You can use the supplied wire ties to make everything neat and tidy. We also recommend buying a 4-port USB hub like this Amazon one. Plug all the cables into the hub, and then the hub into your computer. That's it. Your Dockicon is all set up and ready to go. The Dockicon by Phatronics is available at phatronics.com. It is also available on reverb.com. Now, make some great music.